When I start talking about the book of Cosmogony and Prophecy, I'm going to talk more about the what OSP teaches us in terms of the whole solar system and all our planets which are a part of the solar system. What is sunlight? What is sun? Uh, with limitations of my knowledge, whatever I know, I will give you briefly as to what I know. Now, today I am sitting in front of the sun, and as is my regular practice, I look directly into the sun for about 5 to 7 minutes every day, and this is just to show to you that what our science believes in and what we are told by all doctors to whom we go to never look into the sun. The whole human mechanism, our mechanism is made in such a way that if we are not able to stand up to a certain phenomena, we get out of it. But here, what I believe in is that because I have been trying it for years together and I have shown this phenomena to other people also, it is just a matter of practice and your eyes get used to it. The main thing that I have to tell you just now is that the sun is hydrogen and helium burning over there at that millions of miles away from us. But the sunlight is not coming, that sunlight that we get over here is not coming from the sun. It does not provide us any heat. All the heat and the light is manufactured by our earth. The whole mechanism is made in such a way that there are complexities of making lenses which are within our atmosphere and the surrounding areas, where in the presence of sun our earth starts manufacturing its own light as well as the heat. Some of these are known as actinic forces. As you can notice, this whole video for last 2-3 minutes that I have been talking is directly in front of the sun, which is what I can do. I do every day for say 10 minutes or so, and I can now safely say that I can look at the sun for the rest of the day. Right now it is like 9 o'clock in the morning, but even if I have to look at the sun at 12 or 1 when the sun is up there overhead, that is not a problem for me. It just gets a little used to. I may have to blink my eyes like this for a few times, and after that I keep on looking directly into the sun. So what this goes on to say is that with our limitation of understanding and our limitation of science, there are a lot of um, uh, ifs and buts, and a lot of things that we are told that we don't have to do, and we normally don't do, we go by it. Looking into the sun is not that way a very simple matter. What I am doing is after years of practice, and if I can do it, everybody else can do it. Today I don't have any disease of the eye, and I need glasses only to read fine prints and nothing more than that. I've been looking directly into the sun, and the camera is facing me, as you can realize this. So this is a different kind of video, and I'm going to talk more about cosmogony and prophecy in the next few slides to come. Thank you.